Namaskar, welcome back to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Today we are going to take fifth yoga posture. Sitting posture is Bhadrasana. So let's get started. The technique for Bhadrasana: stretch both the legs in front, hands by the sides, palms resting on the ground. Your fingers should remain together pointing forward. Stay here. Prepare your mind. Now folding your left and right leg slowly at knees, joining both the soles of feet with each other. Hold the legs at ankles by the hands. Slowly bring the legs towards yourself till they reach under the perineum. Knees should remain on the ground, body erect and gaze in front. So this posture you need to remember while practicing it. A stretch is felt under the thighs, all over your hips and your pelvic area. Therefore, practice it carefully. Your waist and neck should remain straight and erect. This is a very good posture for lumbar region, your lower back, and it keeps your spine healthy. While returning back, you can come to the original position, loosen up your legs, and you can relax. The key point is you slide your heels closer to your perineum, your toe fingers are touching each other, interlock your fingers and have a nice grip holding your both the feet together. Alternate method for this asana is you can place a block or bunch of books underneath your knees if your knees are coming up, or if you're not flexible with your hips and your pelvic region. So this is Bhadrasana. For watching this video, do subscribe, like and comment below. Did you check my previous video of this series? Then go check it out. Thank you. Stay blessed.